freshly blow dried and washed and all that good stuff. I'm going to be going in with castor oil. So today we're going for, like, you know, a nice protective hairstyle look that you can do if you don't want to touch your hair. Here you see me just brushing my hair. Brush, brush, brush. Then I'm going to be going in with the Murray's Beeswax. And I'm just putting that all on my edges. So when I'm doing my ponytails and stuff, I really like to put like wax on first before I apply gel and stuff. I just think because it leaves like less residue and it doesn't make it, you know, hard or anything like that. Yes, you guys, we're going for, you know, a no cornrows, simple, tight curl bun with some tight curl bangs. It's completely braidless, crochet style. So before I put my gel in, like as you see me doing, I like to put a ponytail in first just to mold my hair, to help mold my hair. I think I get better results when I do that. Definitely it works really good too if you got a lot of hair. Thick hair too. So as you see me, I'm applying more gel. And then I'm just brushing that up into my hair, as you see me do. Pow, pow, pow. So it's kind of funny. So I'm taking the hair holder out. Then you see me pulling my hair back up. Then I actually go in with some more gel and beeswax mixed together. I didn't really use too much beeswax, but that's what I did. And then now I'm going in and adding a little bit more gel to my edges, just to make sure that they stay, you guys. The whole purpose is for this stuff to stay. I have 4 type C hair. I'm using a very stretchy hair holder, and I got it like doubled because it's so big. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, you see me just split those two, and I'm just twisting it, and then I'm going to wrap that around and tie a hair holder around that. Then I'm just going in with whatever residue from the gel was on the brush. I'm just brushing my hair back up for any of the little curlies that want to pop up. Y'all know how that is, dealing with natural hair. Those curls always want to roll and pop up. Going back in with gel and just applying that. Then I'm going in with this edge booster, and I'm going to use this to just swoop my edges. I'm not really doing baby hairs. I'm just swooping them. And I actually use like a regular brush and it works just fine. I didn't use like no toothbrush or anything like that, so I was pretty happy about that. So I'm going in with my purple satin scarf or silk, whichever one, yeah. I need a new one. That one's been with me for some years. And I'm just gonna let that sit for like 30 minutes and come back and do my makeup and all. Boom, here we go. So, we're back. We just gotta finish it. Voila. Look at them waves. Are you seasick yet? Are you seasick? No, I'm just playing. Okay, so we're going to be going in with these leftover passion twists that I had from doing my passion twist a month or so ago. And that's what I had left over. So we're just going to finish the rest of that and put it in my hair and make use of it because, you know, I don't believe in wasting money. I believe in using it, all of it, when you shall. So I'm literally just crocheting the hair like around the base of my ponytail. So you just grab it, pull it through, open up the little pre-loop, put the long piece through the hole, and then pull it and push it down, and boom, it's locked in there. And you literally do that up until your liking. I did it to where I felt like enough of it would be full because I was only working with a couple of strands. I only had like one pack, so one like half of a pack, I think, because I used some of that when I was doing my passion twist. So yeah, probably was a little bit more than a half. Yeah. So this is just me kind of speeding up the process because I would hate for you guys to watch how long it takes. It really doesn't take that long once you get used to it. It's super easy to do. Super easy. So I'm even taking it in the back. I'll show you guys here. And just put it through that little loop thing. Close the loop. Pull it through. Well, I shouldn't have said a loop. I should have said the crochet needle. Having a hard time with that one. I'm like, geez, where are you? Sometimes it's hard to find those little loops when it's kind of tight, you know. So here you're gonna see me unravel the passion twist just so that I can make the hair a little bit more fuller to cover around my real hair. See me. Unravel. So I'm starting from the top. I was just kind of starting anywhere, but it seemed like it's easier to unravel from the top on down. So that's what I'm doing. And I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. I forget how much it cost. As you see me do, I just wrap the hair around my ponytail. Then I'm gonna go in and create some bangs. It's literally the same thing I did around the base of my ponytail, but this time I'm gonna let them hang in front of my face, of course, so that I can have some bangs. As you see right here. Okay, so we're gonna unravel these bad boys. Why do we unravel? So that we can get fullness. Make it look more real, you know, give it some more spunk and, you know. Oh, yes, you guys. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for your love and support. Enjoy the family. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, SBEaesthetics. Okay, so here I went on ahead and add a bobby pin, like at the root. So here I'm just kind of I'm really messing with it, trying to see how I like the bangs, and just basically I'm trying to get them to my liking. So that's what you're gonna see me doing here. Chopping them a little bit more. It's so funny because I'm the type of person, I cannot stand hair on my face. Like, it agitates me. So I was chopping them bangs down because I did not want them in my eye. And if I would have had more passion twist, I would have added more to my bang area, just so I could get more fullness. So like I just did here, I did wrap some around my hair, but I unraveled that little piece and added it to my hair because, yeah, I needed some fullness. So I took that bobby pin out and I'm putting it back in just to position it how I need it or want it, I guess. Yeah, as you see right here. Yeah. So yes, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Thank you. I'll see y'all back with another video. Oh, and if you want to know this makeup look, stay tuned. I did one on that too.